In this video, we listed the 5 best MIG welders on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HITBOX Synergy MIG Welder. The HITBOX HBM 1200 is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine designed for MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding, making it suitable for both gas and gasless operations. With a compact design measuring 37 by 38 by 28 centimeters and weighing 7 kilograms, this welder boasts a power capacity of 5.1 kVA and operates on dual voltage, 110V, 220V. It features an adjustable wire feeding speed and a working current range of 20-120A, allowing it to weld various materials, including stainless steel and iron. The unit includes safety features such as overheat protection and a cool air radiator, ensuring reliable performance. Additionally, it comes with essential accessories like an earth clamp, electrode holder, an MIG welding torch, along with a 1-year warranty for customer support. The HBM 1200 is ideal for home use, auto repair shops, and other welding applications, providing efficient and effective welding solutions while minimizing noise and spatter. Number 2. FEIFANKE MIG 135 Machine. The FEIFANKE MIG 135 welder is a versatile and user-friendly machine designed for both beginners and experienced welders. Weighing just 6.3 kilograms, 14.5 pounds, and featuring a compact design, 30 by 17 by 20.5 centimeters, it is highly portable and easy to use. The MIG 135 model intelligently adjusts voltage based on the selected wire diameter, allowing users to control wire feeding speed within a current range of 30-135A, while also recommending suitable plate thickness. The welder comes as a complete kit, including essential accessories such as a MIG torch, ground clamp, electrode holder, welding rods, flux core wire, and nozzles. Safety is prioritized with certifications from CE, UKCA, FCC, and UL, along with protective features like overcurrent and overheat protection. Additionally, FEIFANKE offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction and support. Number 3. RILAND 3-in-1 MIG Welder. The RILAND MIG 135SYN is a versatile and compact multi-process welder designed for various welding applications, including gas MIG, gasless MIG, and MMA. Weighing 11.5 kilograms and featuring a robust IGBT inverter with an exclusive rechip, this welder delivers powerful performance with an output current range of 50-160A for MIG and 40-140A for MMA. It operates on a single-phase power supply of 230V and offers a no-load voltage of 61V, with an efficiency of over 80%. The internal wire feeder is compatible with 0.8 mm and 1 mm welding wire, making it suitable for both 1 kg and 5 kg wire spools. The device includes intelligent protection features, such as overcurrent and overvoltage safeguards, and is equipped with advanced speed control technology for precise wire feeding. The MIG 135SYN is designed for ease of use, providing stable welding performance on various thicknesses of carbon steel, and comes with essential accessories like a MIG torch, earth clamp, and gas hose. With a 1-year warranty and a commitment to customer satisfaction, RILAND emphasizes innovation and quality in its welding equipment. Number 4. ANDELI MIG 250 MIG Welders. The ANDELI MIG 250 is a versatile and portable 3-in-1 welding machine designed for gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding applications, making it suitable for various environments such as construction sites and industrial plants. It features advanced IGBT inverter technology, providing a maximum output of 120 amps and enhancing efficiency and reliability with a significant increase in duty cycle. The machine is user-friendly, with synergic design that automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed based on material thickness, making it ideal for beginners. Weighing only 5 kilograms and measuring 440 by 265 by 325 millimeters, it is compact and easily transportable. The MIG 250 includes a 3-meter split welding torch for easier maintenance and smoother wire feeding. It operates on dual voltage, 110-220V, and has a rated duty cycle of 60%, with a warranty that includes 30-day returns, a 2-year guarantee, and free replacement parts. Certified with CE, this welder is designed for efficiency, boasting an 85% efficiency rate and a protection class of IP21S. Number 5. HZXVOGEN MIG 185A Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN MIG 185-2 is a versatile 4-in-1 multifunctional welder designed for various welding applications, including gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, and ARC welding. It supports welding wires of 0.8, 1.0 mm and can handle workpieces with thicknesses ranging from 1 to 8 mm for MIG, 1 to 6 mm for lift TIG. Note that the WP17V TIG torch is not included, and 2 to 12 mm for MMA with electrodes of 2.5, 3.2, 4.0 mm. The welder features a large LED color display for easy parameter reading and a synergism control system that automatically adjusts wire speed and voltage for optimal results. Additionally, it includes multiple protective mechanisms, such as overcurrent and overload protection, ensuring durability and safety during operation. Weighing 11 kilograms and measuring 47 by 29 by 35 millimeters, the MIG 185-2 is CE certified and comes with a comprehensive package that includes essential welding accessories. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to meet high industry standards, providing users with confidence in their purchase.